in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on Meta or MePass app. So if you've never registered or you know nothing about this app, kindly stay tuned, watch this video until the end. So before I get started, hello guys, my name is Cynthia. If you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're watching my video or you come across my channel, kindly consider subscribing for more tutorial like this, and also different tutorials on how to make money online. Okay, and again, like this video, and you can also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video you will be notified. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Continue watching and learning more. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link. If you haven't registered on MePass app or you don't know anything about it, I'm gonna put the link on the comment section, and also the link to our WhatsApp group whereby you'll be getting updates and also you'll be able to talk to me directly. Just join our WhatsApp chat group, then inbox the admin, then you will reach me directly. Okay, so MePass is it's like a crypto coin app whereby you earn a token known as MEC token, whereby you can sell it on a pre-sale market. We have P2P for this app itself. You can see right now there is this notification on my screen. Let me show you. I'm gonna read it together with you guys. So this is just a notification. Actually, I've done withdrawal from this app 4 times, and most of them, almost I think 3 of them, I've done live withdrawal. Like I was recording while doing the withdrawal. So if you want to watch the steps on how everything works and watch the withdrawal process or procedure, I'm gonna link the video on the you will see it, or maybe up on the right side of this video. It will just pop up, so you will watch it. I'm gonna tag it. You can see, let us read this on my screen. So invite friends to win. So they will have an event which will be in Singapore. It is token 2049, that is the event name, from 1st October to 2nd October 2025, Marina Bay Sands. So that is where it will be held. MetaHealth plus token 2049 Singapore title sponsor. So I've had this before because I was emailed by one of the founders about this thing. So he emailed me and we talked about it. So if you happen to be okay, this specific event, those people who will have free tickets, like to go, or maybe they will have their air ticket paid fully, are people who will like get whatever they want you to. Like they want you to invite friends. Remember, it's free to join, so they want you to invite your friends or family. So the more you invite, if you attain the number that they want, the minimal is 5 verified users, so you will be able to get a ticket. So we have different things that you're gonna win according to the number of invites you have. For the first person, I think is going to win different thing. With the last person, we will have a list of 5 verified users. Okay, so after you created account on this app, make sure you verify your account. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so let us go to the main dashboard. And obviously guys, whenever you invite anyone, they're going to reward you 0.1 MEC token. And remember, 1 MEC token right now is is $5 and something. So we're gonna see how much is 1 MEC token at the moment. Remember, any person you invite, and on a serious note, like if you are participating in this event that is about to happen in Singapore, if you invite anyone, they're going to reward you 0.1 MEC token that you can sell. And the same time, you will be counted, like if you are able to reach the limit that they want, you'll be able to be among the people who will be going to Singapore. Okay, they will email you once you attend there or you've qualified. Okay, so that is that. Let us go to the main dashboard. So if you first log into your account, okay, if you will directly download the app, make sure you use the code. I'm gonna leave the code too together with the link. So if you will register through this link, it will take you and give you the free 1 meg token. If you don't use the link, they will not reward you the 1 meg token. And remember, 1 meg token right now is $5 and above, like say $5 point something. So if you don't use that link, you're not going to be rewarded even if you verify your account. So first, if you want to be rewarded this free 1 meg token, make sure you use the link provided. If you directly download the app, make sure you use the code. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you're gonna earn in this app. If you register for the first time, we have 3 things. You can invite your friend, which is optional. This is where you'll be getting your code if you click on invite friends. Okay, and you can also check in on a daily basis. As you check in, the number of rewards that you'll be given will increase on a daily basis. But if you miss or skip, you'll be restricted, or they will charge you to redo or resign. Okay, so just click on this point, this arrow, sign in. Okay, and another way is staking. So for the first time, if they give you the 1 meg token, they will stake it. So on a daily basis, you'll be able to claim it, the released staked amount. Okay, so let me show you how to sign in. So when you click on sign in button, it will bring you to a page like this. You can see page. So you have to sign in. You see, these days that I skipped, they charged me. Okay, so you click on check in today. Then you're gonna repeat. You can see the same words are written up here. Okay, the same words are written up here. So your work is just to repeat the same thing here. Okay, so for example here, you can see the same thing. I'm supposed to just write the same written there. So let me type it. Maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. Okay, then you tap on check in. So you can see everything indicated there. So we're gonna click, then put your password. Okay, let me put my password and come back. So after putting in your password, you'll have to wait. You can see it has been successfully checked in. Okay, so you'll be doing that on a daily basis. You'll be earning more, and you can sell as little as 0.1 meg token. You can sell to P2P platform. If you want to know this procedure, make sure you watch the video that will be linked with this video. Okay, so how do you redeem your staked amount? You just come here. You can see the redeemable block rewards, the ones you are allowed to redeem. Let me show you. Okay, you can see the redeemable block and the amount itself. Okay, and so what you're going to do is to come and tap here. If you tap on that place, you'll be able to see the amount you're going to redeem from the staked. You're going to click, you're going to see how much you're going to get. So you can do this as many times as possible. or you can maybe keep that, maybe you do it on a weekly basis, but signing in is a must. You have to do it on a daily basis. So you click on confirm, then you have to put your password. Okay, then that is it. You wait for it to confirm, then you'll be good to go. So let me show you where to upload your documents for verification. So once you upload your documents for verification, you'll be able to receive your earnings. Guys, I have managed to do withdrawals 5 times successfully, 5 times. You can see all the notifications, right? So let us go back and show you where to get to put your ID. So where do you do verification? So you come down here, then click on me ID. Okay, me ID is down here. You click on me ID, then they will give you 3 options. It's either you upload your identity card, that is government identity card, or passport, or you use your driving license. So if you have one from the 3, you can use. Okay, so let me show you how you will know that your account is approved. Obviously they're gonna send you notification to know it has been approved up there. So let me show you. So if you click on your me ID down here, you'll be able to see that it has been verified. This whole thing will be in blue color. Okay, but if it is not verified, it will be gray. So when it is verified, you'll be able to see your me ID here and also your address here and where you're coming from, plus this serial number. Okay, so if you want to chat, you can also chat up here, down here, then you have link, then explore. So let me show you where to get the P2P, where you can sell your make token. So if you click on this explore is down here. If you click on the explore, you will be able to see a brilliant mini program. Then we have transactions and unicorn. Pay attention to this one, transaction. This is where we have P2P market, whereby you can sell and buy. Imagine this coin when it started, it was $0.1. Right now one is $5. Those people who bought it and kept it for some time, they have made a lot of profit. Okay, so even you can buy, then wait, then sell it, or you can invite more friends to gain more and sell. That's simple. And you can also sign in on a daily basis. Or okay, so we're gonna measure all this transaction. So I'm gonna log in. So for the first time, if you're not logged in or registered, because you have to link it with your MePass app, this website, you have to link it first if that is the first time you are using it. So it's so simple. Let me show you. You can see up here make token p2p.com. So this is where they sell all the transactions. So you can see make transactions, trade anywhere, anytime. Okay, please enter your email for me to log in, okay, and password that I use. So instead of using that, use your MePass app. Okay, come here and tap on this thing, MePass app. Okay, I hope we are together. So I'm just going to link it. So we've managed to get in the market. Wow, imagine some people bought this thing at $1, or some just gained it for free and they have sold it now. You can see the price is right here. Let me show you the price. Right now price, like as we talk now, this is the price, 5.5396 USDT. So if you get this for free, is it bad? You don't know nothing. You just verify your account to assure them that you are real and you are serious. So if you want to sell, you just click on sell. If you want to buy, you can buy from them. We have different traders. Okay, we have different traders. You can just scroll. If you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, click on sell. We have many traders. We have many traders. You just scroll and check on the limit. Like this one is selling like limit from 0.8 MEC token to 300. This one is 15. This one is 0.5. This one is 0.5. This one 0.3. This one, I told you can even sell 0.1 or 0.1 MEC token or 1. Okay, you can see this person here is accepting from 0.1 MEC token to 29. So you can sell to anyone. Just make sure that you do the right thing. From different countries, you just click on sell. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, just look for the customer, then click on buy. Okay, we have different people buying. You just have to check on the limit and the price. Like this person, if you want to buy, he will give you a price of 5.8. Okay, so it is simple as that. It is simple as that. I've done my transactions. Let me see if I can trace them. My transactions, I have to calendar. Let me see. So set calendar now. Select date. All. On go, oh, trading record, appealing chat history, processing. But I've done that. I don't know why. Yeah, you can see that is just history. But I've also done all type sell. I've already like I've been selling, not buying. I've never bought. Waiting for seller deposit, seller waiting for seller buyer, and status order completed. I don't know why they're not showing me. I don't know. I've done even in the video. I don't know why. I don't know whether it's the system or what. They're not allowing me to set the calendar to I want. From September. Let me check from May. Let me check. Completed. Why are they not showing me? I don't know why they're not showing me. Like I'm not getting it why, but the thing is, I've done 5 transactions. So I'm gonna link you the video, guys. I don't know whether I'm audible enough, but if you can't hear what I'm saying, let me know in the comment section. If you have watched until this process, this time, kindly subscribe. It was raining, so I never wanted to make noise. It was raining and storm and lightning at the same time, so I didn't want to make noise. So guys, that is all. You really need to know about MePass app or MEC token. So join as early as now, make some good cash out of free grabbable token. Like you can grab it for free. Use the link on the comment section. If you have any question, let me know.